Hello, I'm Bruce Kowalchuk with Century 21, and it's a beautiful day here in River Heights where new sidewalks are being put in and will be ready for you by possession date. Just wait till you see all the upgrades and bonus features of this 1.5-story home at a great mid-block location on Centennial. Let's take the full tour of 538 Centennial Street. The home has been fully modernized and really shows off its elegant style and great function as soon as you walk in the front door. The 1,250 square foot floor plan gives 3 bedrooms, 2 full lavish bathrooms, an open living room and dining room, perfect for the family and entertaining, all served by a gorgeous kitchen with an island peninsula. Upstairs, you will be amazed by the open and airy primary bedroom. The basement is fully finished with a cozy rec room and features a spacious, purpose-built laundry room and plenty of storage. For the home life outside, you'll find lots of room in the backyard with a great space to relax on the patio deck areas. As a bonus to the home, you will love the 4-season sunroom that was built as part of the plan for the double-car garage to create a family lounge and home office. Plus, the garage is fully finished, insulated, and heated for your vehicles and toys. The house has been lovingly maintained and fully upgraded inside and out. The owners have thoroughly enjoyed this home and everything River Heights has to offer. Thank you for watching. To set up a viewing, please reach out to me or your favorite realtor. And do feel free to call me anytime. I'd be happy to answer any of your real estate questions and go over the finer details of 538 Centennial Street. And we do look forward to booking your scheduled showing.